Come test drive the 2026 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input,